We're saving up for Philippines. We'll take it to Philippines.
And motorcycle.
So if you can help us out,
Send it to our Gcash. So we will go secretly.
how?
You guys will sleep. We go.
You sleep, we go.
How? You're not allowed to go airplane without parents.
We are.
Once you're 14 years old, you can go alone.
No, you can go alone if you can get your parents to sign a paper.
Mama,
Do you think Daddy will sign? Do
No,
you think Daddy will?
We'll
put
put
another
another paper and say, Daddy, sign please this one for school. And then sign, and then
ooh. Wow, comprehend. Wow. Huh? Which one did you use? Which one? Say wallah. Say Oxenbillah. Wow, comprehend. And here's our baby, Yasmin. Let me put that. Let's put that.
Marfa, I don't.
No, I'll change it. Give me the other one. Wow. Guys, look, oh. Hilibrimi. I don't. Ayan. Look. Mama, point at the two babies, oh. Wait, to. Look. Yawa. Zinat naman. Kaya, ba't mo nagsibit?
We're saving up for Philippines.
Zainab, I love you. Zainab. Say, I love you, ate.
Say, I love you, Mo.
No. I love you, ate. I love you, ate. Say, love you too, baby.
I love you, Ate Narinig.
Dalhin sa Viorong sa Narabe. I mean, your... Dalhin sa Viorong.
Para saan yan, Maro?
Para. Money. Pera. Para.
Para saan yan?
Pera.
Ha?
For Philippines. We're saving up for Philippines. We'll take it to Philippines.
And motorcycle.
So if you can help us out,
Send it to our Gcash.
Who told you can go Philippines?
We told ourselves.
with our money, we can't.
How?
The money told us.
Even you have money to buy ticket, you cannot go. You can't go Philippines.
So, we will go secretly.
Huh? How?
You guys will sleep. We go.
You sleep, we go.
How? You're not allowed to go airplane without parents.
We are.
Once you're 14 years old, you can go alone.
No, you can go alone if you can get your parents to sign a paper.
Mama,
Do you think Daddy will sign? Do
No,
you think Daddy will?
We'll
put
put
another
another paper and say, Daddy, sign please this one for school. And then sign, and then
and you think he will belt us? Okay. The longest belt us in the Philippines. Or in Qatar.
Boss Philippines. Because
Even you have money for ticket, Daddy will not let you to go Philippines.
They will not let us,
then
but we let ours.
if they not let us, we can't go. Like never go. We'll buy motorcycle.
How?
What else? Yeah, motors.
Motorcycle.
How much money you have now?
70K.
We have
70K.
135.
I will change to Vietnam.
No.
Why you don't want to stay here? Huh?
Why
Do
did
we
the
need a
Muslim?
reason?
Yeah.
We need a reason.
Okay, I can tell you the reason. Why do the mosquitoes bite me? Why do the earthquakes get to me? Why do the poorness get to me? Why does the cleanliness, non-cleanliness
Why
get
don't
to
I
me?
understand the school? How?
Why do the people here are not good? Why are the people here so strict? Why is it so expensive here? Eh? Why are they not speaking English?
Bisaya ka mo yun, day.
I don't know. Why are they not giving us money? Then,
Why do we give you money?
money kasi.
Why nga?
Kasi I tell them.
Look at this.
What's that?
Plane
Money.
ticket.
For
For us.
I love you, ate.
sorry, Jose. Hindi kayo papayagan ng tatay niyo kahit may pera na kayo.
I love you, ate.
Kahit may pambili pa kayo ng ticket, hindi kayo papayagan ng tatay niyo. Ha, Marok?
Huh?
Hindi kayo papayagan ng tatay niyo kahit may pera na kayo.
We'll be
Pero
18.
punuin niyo pa ng pera yan. Sa kaipon niyo, wala lang. Hindi.
you, ate.
If someone take, I will. You don't know. You don't know what I'll do. Someone take all our money.
I love you, ate. Point at her, point at her. I love you, ate. I love you, ate. No, wait.
Marok, you know, Daddy can do ticket for you, but Daddy, you know why? What's the reason why Daddy don't want you to go Philippines?
Because it's more fun there?
Huh?
Yeah.
You don't know what's the
Because our
reason?
education is better there?
Why the education here is bad?
Very bad, bro. Very bad.
Why?
Are you kidding? We're learning hello, goodbye.
Ma, I
the sun
know.
is only very hot. The sun is very
I know more English than the English teacher.
Yeah, the English teacher is very bad English.
I should be the English teacher.
I should be the English teacher. The English teacher does not speak proper grammar.
Yung English mo nga, bako-bako.
Eh,
Bisaya ka nga eh.
Mayo also.
I know.
What do you know?
Because I'm Bisaya.
you
I
learn?
don't know my jeans kasi she gave me the jeans. No, at first I don't know how to say she. I said sha. You don't remember? Sha.
Marok, if you go Philippines, if you go school there, it's hard also.
At least I look like the people there. Look at my face.
You don't look like
Yeah,
You think I look Turkish?
Look at your color. You think people are white?
I'm Philippine people. Why they say
You're not only like a Filipino, but you're color, you're
Ako, Filipino.
yeah, Filipina ka, yung mukha mo, Filipino. Mukha mo, Filipino.
at yung attitude parang Filipino?
Bakit? Ano ba attitude ng Pilipina?
Malandi.
Malandi. Si Malandi ang nanay mo kasi Pilipina ako.
Yeah, malandi.
I slap you now. Paano ako naging malandi? Bakit nasabi mo ako malandi ako? Bakit nasabi mo ako malandi ako? Bakit nasabi mo ako malandi?
You're sitting.
Sabihin mo kasi.
I love you, ate.
Hamarok.
Because you are.
Why? How?
Maru, can you get me water?
You know what is malandi?
What?
You know what is malandi?
What?
What? What? Mom, stop. It's for us.
Ano pa English sa malandi? Hindi ko alam kung anong English sa malandi.
You got it, man.
Ano pa English sa malandi, ha? Buwan ka. Paano na? Ano ba English sa malandi?
Girly girl.
Search mo nga.
Girly girl, yeah, girly girl.
Ano girl?
Hi. Like that.
Sure.